In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Monday.com for budget tracking and why it may or may not be the best tool for your needs. If you're looking for a straightforward solution to track and manage your budget with Monday.com, stick around, because we'll dive into some features that will help you decide if it's the right fit and whether there's something better out there. First, let's get the basics covered. Monday.com is a flexible work operating system that allows you to create customizable boards for almost any project, budget tracking included. To start, you'll want to create a new board, choose a template that fits budget tracking, or set up your own from scratch. The platform offers multiple columns to track different variables like expense categories, amounts, and dates. You can assign team members to certain budget items and even set up automated alerts when budgets approach limits. Next thing, let's talk about the views Monday.com provides. It gives you different ways to visualize your data, from simple tables to Gantt charts, timelines, and Kanban boards. This flexibility is handy if you want to keep track of your budget in a way that makes sense for you. However, one downside to keep in mind is that while it's visually appealing, Monday.com can get overwhelming if you're trying to track a lot of data at once. You may need to spend time customizing and organizing the interface, which could add extra steps to your workflow. The fourth thing is integration. Monday.com integrates with many third-party tools like Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, and financial software. While this is useful for syncing data, the number of integrations can still fall short compared to other dedicated financial tools. If you're heavily relying on external applications for accounting or financial data, you might find Monday's integrations not as robust as you need them to be. Now, let's talk about automation. Monday.com allows you to automate certain actions like notifications when a budget is exceeded or reminders for upcoming payments. This is definitely a plus for streamlining your process. But there's a caveat. To unlock the most powerful automation features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. That's something to consider if you're just looking for basic budget tracking features and don't want to dive into the premium offerings right away. Another thing to consider is reporting. Monday.com offers a variety of reporting tools that let you track your budget over time and see trends. While these features are fine for high-level views, if you need detailed financial reporting or deeper analysis, you might find Monday.com lacking in that area compared to software designed specifically for financial management. But here's the thing, while Monday.com has its strengths, if your main goal is budgeting and financial tracking, there are other tools better suited for that specific purpose. We'll get into that in just a minute. So, to wrap up, Monday.com does offer a lot of flexibility for managing and tracking a budget, especially if you're working in a team. However, it might not be the best option for those who need deep financial features or want a system that automatically integrates with all of their financial tools. Before you go, I want to let you know about a special offer. We've partnered with Monday.com to give our viewers an exclusive, extended free trial, but I've also got some amazing alternatives to recommend that are better suited to your budget tracking goals. These tools also offer free trials, and you'll get the best benefits when you use our link, so make sure to check that out in the description. Thanks for watching!